Hello everyone. Today we shall see how to use the Tornado chat. It is one of the custom visual. You can get the custom visual from this get more visuals. I have added the custom visual here. This is my Tornado chat. Tornado chat. If I click over it, here you could see the three fields which are required. First one is the group. The category group on which you need to represent the values. Here I have my supermart data. Suppose that I want to represent the sales and profit with respect to subcategory. I'll bring this subcategory to group. I'll bring this sales to values, and I'll bring this profit to my values. So here you could see that these subcategories, it has the respective sales values. Let us see some formatting points. Here we have data colors. Suppose that for sales I have to change it to orange color. You could see that it has changed to orange. Suppose that I have to change profit to blue color. It has turned blue. And in x-axis, suppose that I want to like uh, I want to keep the bars within the same arrangement for sales. I could increase it to 1 so that it will be aligned like horizontally in the equivalent terms. Otherwise, you could keep it normal. Similarly, for profit, if you want to align, you could align it. This is x-axis settings. With respect to data labels, these are my data labels. If you turn off, you could see there are no values. You could increase its size. If you want to increase its decimals, display units, I could display in thousands or millions or billions. Here thousands would, so I applied thousands. Suppose these values are outside. If I want to change its color, since these are inside, I like applied, it is automatically taking the color of white. Suppose I turn it to black, these values are, you could see, now turned to black. I'll keep it white. If these values are, suppose they are outside, then those values, they will turn to black actually. See, these values, they are outside, so they have this gray color. I could give the color of it as maybe purple. So you could see these values have turned purple, so that like to represent, these are appropriate method to fill in the color. For now I'll keep it black. And in the group I have color, text size and left. If I turn it off, you could see that my subcategory group is off. If I turn it on, you could see my subcategory. I could increase its text size. I could increase the color. Sorry, change the color. I could change it either to left or right, as you could see. So these are few formatting things which are required for Tornado chat. Apart from this, if at all you face the alignment, or you could say sorting order, here click on these three buttons, and here you could see the sort axis option. So you could sort it you on the basis of profit or the sales or the category in either descending or ascending order. So for now I'll keep it the same. And you could look into the other formatting things. I'll show you the data which I currently used. This is my subcategory, and this is my sales, and this is my profit. So suppose that you get the data in a different format. Like I have created the similar required data in this three columns. This is my subcategory. Here in this column I have unpivoted the columns, and taken the values of profit and sales in one particular column, and these are their respective values. So if I get this kind of data, what I have to do is so I'll make another Tornado chat for your convenience. Okay. Suppose that I am taking another Tornado chat, and I'm in the group. I'm using the subcategory. In the legend, I'll bring this type, which is either profit or sales. And as soon as I bring the values, you could see the change. Here you could see these are my sales values and these are my profit values. Both are same. The only difference is that in the previous chart I didn't use these legends, and here you could utilize the legends if the data is in you could say vertical manner. So this is how tornado chart works. You could utilize it in various circumstances. If you are representing a category with two numerical data, so it really helps. And that is all for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.